friends, time for a technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened with a positive bias today and was trading in a sideways manner thereafter. The last half an hour of the trading session saw some selling pressure and the Nifty ended the day flat up 3 points in today's trading session. The market breadth was however negative with 654 advances to 830 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, we had Reliance, Sun Pharma, Infosys, Kotak Mahindra Bank, HDFC Bank closing in the negative today, while ITC, HDFC Limited, TCS and Tata Motors managed to close the day with gains. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has closed in the positive for the 5th running day. However, during the day we saw selling pressure emerge at higher levels. And the Nifty is also trading around the crucial Fibonacci retracement level of around 78.6%. It is not exactly 78.6%. However, the Nifty has faced resistance around that crucial Fibonacci level. So that indicates that there is selling pressure at higher levels, and also considering the fact that the Nifty has been trading in the positive or closing in the positive since last 5 trading sessions, calls for some amount of caution, and the traders, I think, should have booked profits in today's trading session, and that is why we saw selling pressure emerge during the later or the last half an hour of the trading session. Now moving on to the hourly charts, we can observe that after opening on a positive territory in the morning, the Nifty just consolidated in a sideways manner. In the last half an hour, we saw a sharp selling pressure. Now what that has done is that it has pushed hourly momentum indicator into the sell mode, indicating that we might just see some selling pressure or sideways consolidation in the coming trading sessions. So considering all these factors, and it has and the crucial Fibonacci retracement is also there, which can act as a crucial resistance. So considering all these factors, we have changed the short-term trend to negative for a target of 8600 and the reversal placed at 8890 on the upside. So our short-term trend changes to negative for the coming trading sessions. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was a clear dragger in today's trading session. Most of the banking Bank Nifty stocks like ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Yes Bank, IndusInd Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank was some of the losers in today's trading session, and that was clearly reflected on the chart of Bank Nifty. It has faced resistance at the 50% retracement level. It is around that 20-day simple moving average, which should now act as a crucial resistance. So considering these factors, our sense is that the Bank Nifty should start the next leg on the downside, which can take the Bank Nifty lower. So we expect selling pressure to emerge in Bank Nifty as well. So the trend for Bank Nifty shall also be negative in the coming trading sessions. Crucial supports for Bank Nifty are placed at 19,000 and 18,740. On the upside, crucial resistances are placed at 19,400 and 19,550. So overall, friends, the view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty have changed to negative. On the Nifty, we have a target of 8600, the reversal placed at 8890. And crucial supports for Nifty are placed at 8742 and 8600. 8742 is the 20-day simple moving average, and 8600 is the previous swing low, and not the previous swing low. 8600 is the level from which the Nifty turned around. So that is a crucial support, and that should not be breached for the positive momentum to continue. On the upside, 8870 and 8890 are crucial resistances. So that's all for the day. Thank you.